The Genmitsu 320 Pro MAX V2 CNC Router offers a robust, upgraded structure with a solid frame and a one-piece machined aluminum spoilboard, ensuring enhanced stability and precision for your projects. An improved Z-axis assembly provides significant stability and makes spindle upgrades more straightforward, contributing to a smoother operation. The machine's thoughtful and convenient setup features, like a pre-assembled XZ Axis Gantry module and organized wiring, save users considerable time and effort during installation. This CNC router has expanded functionality with powerful Toshiba drivers and additional ports, offering versatility and improved performance for various applications. Genmitsu provides an all-inclusive package with upgraded components including an offline controller, limit switches, and an emergency stop for an exceptional user experience. The CNC router's compact working area is perfectly suited for intricate metal, wood, and acrylic projects, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists and professionals alike.